If you're a snowbird or a visitor to Arizona, where you only come to visit or you only live here part-time, I'm going to tell you something that's going to blow your mind regarding car accidents, motor vehicle accidents, RV accidents, any type of motor vehicle accident here in Arizona. Hi, my name is Garrick McFadden. I'm a Phoenix car accident lawyer with the law firm GAMESQ, and we're located in the Maryvale neighborhood of Phoenix. There's some differences with insurance and with accidents here in Arizona that might not apply to where you are. What's going to happen is in Arizona, you get to claim the full amount of your treatment. So let's say the bill that the hospital or the physical therapist charges your insurance would normally be $8,000, but because you have health insurance, they have agreed that the rate that they have to pay back is $2,000, and your contribution to that, depending on your deductible, is $400. In Arizona, you get to claim the $8,000 amount, not the $4,000, and in some states, not like the $400. You get to claim the full $8,000. But what we have in Arizona is called balanced billing. And so a hospital could create a lien on, even though you paid with your health insurance, the hospital could put out a lien on your proceeds. And so they're technically not putting a lien on you, but on the person who caused your accident and their money. So let's say your health insurance pays the hospital $2,000. The hospital's like, I'm out $6,000 still. So they put a lien on you, and they're asking that you pay them back another $2,000. That's something that happens in Arizona, and most of the Arizona car accident lawyers know how to negotiate those down. Another subtle difference with Arizona law regarding motor vehicle accidents in other states is that there is all different types of conditions in Arizona. Like we have mountains, we have deserts, we have lots and lots of construction. We have sandstorms. Like after living in many different places, I used to think Arizona drivers were bad. They're not. They're actually pretty good drivers. The problem that we have in Arizona is there's no reliable mass transit system in Phoenix or any other place in Arizona. And because this is just sprawling, you have to drive, and you're driving a long ways, you're driving far, and people, because they're driving and they get in a routine, they get comfortable. But a lot of times, like, there's a lot of debris on these highways. There's a lot of landscaping trucks, and sometimes stuff falls out of there. And that causes hazards on the road, causing accidents. We have a lot of uniquely wrong way drivers. So there's a lot of conditions in Arizona that affect that you might not see back where you're from. What I would recommend before finding a lawyer in your home state, home region, contact one of the Arizona local lawyers to talk about your options, because we'll tell you, because a lot of times in their state, they might just send you to a chiropractor or whatnot. But in Arizona, we have a little bit of different ways of doing things. So my name is Garrick McFadden. And if you're injured in a car accident, give me a call. My information's here, and my law firm motto is basically, your injuries, our fight, your win.